Hey, my name's Zach. Drawing brushstrokes in Photoshop Elements is a very easy process. And follow my steps here and you'll be able to do it too. So I have a blank canvas here. So I'm going to go over to my brush on the left-hand side. Now, if I click here, you see I have natural brushes selected. It's normally in default brushes. But I'm going to go back to natural brushes, but let's try natural brushes 2. You can see we have lines through here that make them look realistic. But I'm going to go back to natural brushes 1 and just select this top one. I can adjust the size and opacity any way I want. Alternately, the color is over here. I can click this button here to get it to go back to black. But if I just click, let's go for a pretty blue. We'll say OK. And the brush size, let's ramp it up so you can really see what it does. And we'll just make one brush stroke. As you can see, there are actual brush lines. You can also airbrush it. Doesn't change the application much, but with certain brushes, it would. This one looks good too. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to use brushes in Photoshop Elements. Thanks for watching.